And even ako, you know, your guess is just as good as mine.
Exactly.
Meron ba kayong hula kung sino? Well, let's see. Kasi, the Famas for Best Actor goes to
Vice ganda! Correct! Congratulations, Vice!
Famas Best Actor. Famas Best Actors, Arjo Ataide and Vice Ganda. Two of the brightest stars in Philippine cinema.
Absolutely.
Oh my God! Nakakaloka to. Naloka mo ako talaga. Whew! Maraming salamat. Nagpunta lang po talaga ako dito kasi gusto ko talagang i-celebrate with Direk June Lana yung nomination namin for Best Picture kasi ito po yung kauna-unahang pelikula kong na-nominate ng Best Picture sa Famas. I'm just so happy. Pagkatapos po namin ginawa yung And the Breadwinner is, talagang sabi ko, lahat ng award-giving bodies na mag-i-invite o mag-nominate sa atin, pupuntahan ko talaga kasi gusto ko ipagdiwang itong pelikulang ginawa namin nila direksyon, itong And the Breadwinner is, kasi talagang pinagmamalaki ko talaga siya. At talagang niyayakap ko at ipinagpapasalamat ko lahat ng nominations and recognitions na binibigay sa amin. Kaya lahat, kahit yung mga awards sa school, pinupuntahan ko kasi nagpapasalamat talaga ako. At saka gusto ko talagang ipagsigawan yung pride ko sa paggawa nitong pelikula And the Breadwinner is. Actually, yung nomination ko, hindi yun ang nakapag-pressure, nagbigay ng pressure sa akin tonight. Ang nagbigay talaga ng pinakamabigat na pressure sa akin, yung kasama ko sa table, si Nadine at saka si Ate B na pareho silang may trophy. Tapos, nagpipicturean kanina na nahihiya akong sumama. Sabi ko, ay shit, ako lang walang trophy sa table. Pero congratulations to Nadine and Ate B. So, maraming salamat, Famas. This is actually my second Famas trophy. My first Famas trophy was given years back. But I was able to receive the trophy personally because I had a gig somewhere. So nanay ko yung pumunta dito. I was given the very first Dolphy Award. At gusto kong gamitin ang pagkakataon ko na pasalamatan kayo dahil ako po yung pinili niyong parangalan ng kauna-unahang Dolphy Award. At ito naman, Best Actor. Yung nomination lang talaga, sabi ko, Direk June, sabi ko, I'm just so proud. Sabi kay Ate Bitch, ang saya-saya ko, proud na proud akong nominated ako. Kaya nandito ako, proud na proud talaga akong nominated ako. Tapos nanalo pa ako. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Famas, for making me the very first blonde, fully made up, in black gown to receive the Best Actor Award. May this trophy, may this recognition, may this award inspire all the queer kids na makakakita nito sa social media o kung saan man, may this recognition inspire you to embrace the endless possibilities that the world is offering you. As a queer kid, as a queer person, you are limitless and you can be the best makeup artist, you can be the best hairstylist, you can be the best fashion designer, you can be the best educator, you can be the best politician, you can be the best actress, and you can also be the best actor. Because as a queer person, your possibilities are limitless. So maraming salamat sa Pamas. Direct June, panalo to ni Direct June kasi hiyang-hiya ako sa kanya. Sabi ko sa lahat ng artist ang hinahawakan na laging nananalo. Ako lang yung pumalya dun sa Film Fest. Pero Direct June, panalo ni Direct June ko, siya ang gumawa sa akin as an actor dito sa And the Breadwinner is. Kaya maraming salamat Direct June Lana. Sa Star Cinema, maraming salamat kay Chris Gasman, kay Tita Cory Vidales, kay Sir Carlo, sa lahat ng bumubuo, sa lahat ng mga co-actors ko. Sila talaga ang sumuporta sa akin, nagturo. Si Tita Malu lalo na nag-workshop sa akin, and I would like to share and thank for this award, Direk Wendy Ramos. Ikaw nagsimula. Maraming salamat. Pamas, maraming salamat po. Arjo, congratulations. Super deserved. At sa lahat ng mga nominees, sila Dennis Trillo at lahat, super deserved. Pinahangaan ko kayong lahat. Lalo na nung nanalo ng Best Picture kanina, sabi ko kay Nadine, yung team noon, sabi ko, I'm just so amazed by these people. Nakakahanga. Kasi sila yung damang-damang mo yung passion at dedication sa ginagawa. Pagdating sa box office, medyo bihado sila eh. Pero patuloy silang lumalaban kasi meron silang ipinaglalaban at gustong sabihin. Kaya hinahangaan ko po kayo. Mabuhay po kayo. Mabuhay kayo lahat. Maraming salamat. God bless us all. Lord, thank you so much. Thank you very much because you're making me win no matter what. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Vice Ganda and Arjo Atayde. Best actors for Famas. Can you have a photo with the board? Congratulations again. I can never stop congratulating Sir Arjo Atayde and of course, the Vice Ganda for such very well-deserved. Grabe, Mans. Grabe, ramdam ko talaga yung puso nila parehas and talagang yung effort na binigay nila doon.
Gratitude to co-presenters, Linda and Nova Production. Silver sponsors, Jen Ross, and Women Always Media partners like sponsors, The Elba.